Hi guys, please pay attention to this video because it's among the most important one. Actually, the mood and the aim of those videos is to learn to code. As you've seen, I will not insist so much on the Unity interface. I mean the creativity in the scene. Many people has got many problems to code, so I focus a lot on this. So guys, what is coding? Coding is manipulation of variables. So what means manipulation of variables? It means that your variables will have a journey in four important zones. So in green, we've got the variable zone. In orange color, you've got the assigning zone. In red color, you've got the main zone, which is usually the update function or method. And the last one is the blue color zone. This is the method zone. Guys, if you decide to create a script inside Visual Studio, the script name is test, for example, you will see this line. I mean, uh, just here the name of the script you decide to create, you will have this word class. So you will have to create your variable and to manage it inside this class. The code that you must put must be between this curly bracket and this last one. Okay, so the code must be inside here. Anyway, just above your class name, just above the class name, you will see some line starting by using, for example, using system collection, blah blah blah. So all this part above the class, forget it, for instance, but do not erase it when we will use it. Okay, guys, now let's see the journey of variable. You must first create your variable inside the variable zone. Okay, the variable zone, as I've told you, is just below the first curly bracket and just above the start method. So inside this variable zone, I have already created three variable. The first one I call it GemForce. The second one I call it is facing right, and the last one is calling RB. So let's focus on the RB variable. So after creating the RB variable, the second step is that you give a value to RB inside the start method, which represent the assigning zone. So assigning means give a value. So I said that RB equal to get component blah blah blah. Do not take importance. Do not pay attention. I mean to the meaning of this line. Just remember that assigning means give a value. This is why you've got the sign equal here. So the third step is to use RB inside a method. So we will, after the second step, we will use RB after creating a method. Usually a method, you know, is starting by void. Here my method name is player horizontal movement, and inside player horizontal movement method I'm using the variable RB to change its value or to use its past value. So the last step is to call the method that you created. inside the main zone. Usually the main zone is also a method. Usually most of the time this is the update. But you will see that sometimes it will be another method called onTrigger enter 2D, onCollider enter 2D, and so on. Remember that the main zone start just after the first bracket of update method, and it's a last curly bracket. So this is between those two curly bracket that you have to call the method that we created just below, I mean the player horizontal movement.